Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, the Scrum Guide again. AI is transforming the workplace. It can write emails, summarize sprint notes, create user stories, and even suggest retrospectives. So, does that mean AI can replace Scrum Masters? Well, the short answer is no. Because while AI can automate tasks, it still struggles with something deeply human, emotional intelligence. And in Scrum, emotional intelligence is not optional. It is one of the biggest reasons Scrum Master remain irreplaceable. Let's be fair, AI is incredibly useful for Scrum Masters. It can create meeting summaries, draft sprint reports, identify blockers from the team updates, suggest retrospective formats, and provide backlog insights. Used well, AI can make Scrum Masters faster and more efficient. But being a Scrum Master is not just about managing tasks, it's about managing people, emotions, trust, and team dynamics. A great Scrum Master doesn't just follow the Scrum Guide, they read the room. They notice when a developer is unusually quiet in the daily Scrum. They sense tension between team members during planning. They recognize when the product owner is frustrated or when the team is silently burned out. This is emotional intelligence or EQ. EQ means understanding emotions, managing conflict, building trust, and responding with empathy. AI can analyze words, but Scrum Masters often need to understand what is not being said. Let's look at a real Scrum situation where AI falls short. Situation 1. A team member says everything is fine, but the tone says otherwise. Now, an AI system may take that statement at face value. A Scrum Master senses hesitation and follows up privately, creating a safe space for the real issue to surface. Situation 2. A conflict breaks out between a developer and the product owner over unclear priorities. AI may suggest a process fix or a prioritization technique, but a Scrum Master helps both sides feel heard, rebuild trust, and move forward together as one team. Situation 3. The team is delivering. Velocity looks good on paper, but morale is dropping. Participation is weak. Energy is fading. AI may miss these human signals entirely. A Scrum Master won't. Because Scrum is not only about delivery metrics, it's about sustainable teamwork. The true strength of a Scrum Master lies in human connection. They coach without authority. They create the psychological safety. They help teams open up. They encourage difficult conversations. They protect the team from hidden dysfunctions before they become major problems. These are not just frameworks or ceremonies. These are human-centered leadership skills. And no matter how advanced AI becomes, empathy, intuition, trust building, and emotional presence are still deeply human strengths. So, can AI replace Scrum Masters? No, but it can empower them. AI can become a powerful assistant for automation, insights, and efficiency. It can handle summaries, reports, patterns, and data. But Scrum Masters bring what AI still cannot fully replicate: emotional intelligence, empathy, intuition, and the ability to bring people together. The future is not AI versus Scrum Masters. The future is AI plus Scrum Masters. Because Agile teams don't just need better tools, they need better human leadership. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will see how AI assists Scrum Masters.